Over the past few years, the power of the small screen has increased tremendously, so much so that it attracted a lot of film stars to feature in some kind of reality show or the other. Mega star Amitabh Bachchan has been the face of Kaun Banega Crorepati for more than 10 years now, with Shah Rukh Khan also hosting one of the seasons. Big B even hosted the third season of Bigg Boss. The show has seen many Bollywood celebs as its host, starting from Arshad Varsi, Shilpa Shetty, Sanjay Dutt, and the current hit Salman Khan. Salman earlier hosted the game show Das Ka Dum, while Anupam Kher did Sawal 10 Crore Ka. Akshay Kumar hosted 3 seasons of Khatron Ke Khiladi, Priyanka Chopra did the 3rd season of the same show, and Rohit Shetty hosted the latest season. Then there are a lot of chat shows which see stars playing host. So till now it has mostly been only about reality shows for Bollywood stars. But suddenly they seem to be taking a fancy for fiction shows on the tube. Even though Karisma Kapoor did the TV show Karishma The Miracles of Destiny in 2003, it did not do very well to make other stars take notice. But the trend of fiction shows is now catching up with the stars. Anil Kapoor can be credited with ushering in the trend of fiction shows starring film actors. His stint in the 8th season of the American TV series 24 led Anil to create an Indian version of the show. The first season of Indian 24 was aired in 2013 and was an instant hit. It had something different to offer to Indian audiences who are normally fed on Saas Bahu operas. It featured many other Bollywood actors in cameos like Shabana Azmi, Anupam Kher, Richa Chadha and Anita Raj in a full role. Amitabh Bachchan is set to feature in the fiction show Yuddh, which is being directed by Anurag Kashyap. While both of them are not new to TV, for Big B it is his first stint with a fiction show. He plays a terminally ill businessman Yudhishthir in the show who is caught in a psychological battle with himself and his health. The show also features Nawazuddin Siddiqui, another prominent film actor. Big B's better half Jaya Bachchan is also ready to enter the fictional realm of television. She will be seen in an adaptation of Gujarati author Kajal Oza Vaidya's novel Yog Viyog. The hunt for an actress to play the younger Jaya is on. Reportedly, Jaya has already started shooting for the show, which promises to be a lot different from the novel. Kajol is another Bollywood actress who has been considering working in a TV show. If things fall as planned, she is expected to be seen in the Indian adaptation of the Danish TV series Forbrid Didelsen, The Crime. The show even has an American remake and revolves around a veteran investigator, Sarah. Earlier, Kajol was supposed to be seen in Renzel de Silva's 27-episode fiction show about a single mother, but supposedly money became a sore point. Superstar Shah Rukh Khan is someone who started his career with fiction shows on TV, Fauji and Circus. He is now ready to come back to small screen and is waiting for something good. Bollywood Country Report.